Okay, so we're going to add some sound. So I'm going to hit the sound button, and we've got different options under here. If I go into our playlists, you can see I've loaded on some voiceovers. If I want to listen to the voiceover before putting it down on the timeline, I just press the little play button. It's like a preview.
And welcome to our short movie on birds. Hello, and welcome to our short movie on birds.
Okay, so I want to put that little piece of voiceover at the beginning of my movie. So I get the playhead right back to the beginning where I want the voiceover to happen, and I just tap on it and it drops it down there. You'll notice that I can see the waveforms here, and that's because this little button here is blue. If it's off, it's grayed out, you won't be able to see the waveforms. So if you prefer it on, just make sure it's highlighted blue. So my audio is sitting down underneath the first photograph. So I can go in and get a sound effect. And I can place it down and layer it on top.
Hello, and welcome to our short movie on birds.
I can control the volume of any particular sound by double tapping it and using the slider, and you'll see the waveforms going up and down. I can also make a sound shorter by using the little yellow handles and dragging it in and out. Some sounds come down as a green sound, so the theme music that comes with iMovie will be like a green sound, which will wrap around your whole movie and loop for as long as your movie loops. Again, be careful of your levels, so I'm going to double tap my background music and bring the volume down so I can hear the voiceover and the sound effects. If I don't like a sound, double tap and you can delete the clip. You might want to record voiceover directly into your project, and you do that by hitting the little microphone button, and you're ready to record. You should see the green level going up and down. Get your playhead to where you want the voiceover to go and hit record. It'll give you a little countdown so you don't have to start speaking immediately. Welcome to our movie about birds. I can review it. If I'm not happy, I could retake it, but if I'm happy, I can hit accept. And it sits down below your first photograph. And you can trim it and adjust the volume just like any other sound.